Hello friends, I have come up with my notes on magic short tricks on straight line. We'll be firstly discussing the concept part, and this is based on the mnemonic. Look here, the mnemonic is, this is the mnemonics. All these various forms are hidden in this mnemonic. First of all, this is TP Singh, TP, 2 point, PS, point slope, SI, slope intercept, I, intercept, N, normal form, G, general form. All the forms are hidden in this. Now, 2 point form. This is the 2 point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Point slope form. x1, y1 is the point, m is the slope. Look here, this is also slope, formula for slope. Same formula you have to apply here. So these two are basically the same thing. However, in this case 1 point is there, in this case 2 points are there, and from 2 points we have found the slope, and here slope will be given to you, point is also given to you. That is why its name is point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form. Slope intercept form. Look here, equation is y equal to mx plus c. What is m? It is slope. What is c? It is intercept. So the name is slope intercept form. Now let us go next. Intercept form. The equation is x over x intercept plus y over y intercept is equal to 1. X over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Next is the normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. P is the length of the perpendicular from the origin on the line. And this perpendicular is making angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. So the equation is this. So general form, this you know right from your 9th class. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we'll go with some more important equations, and these are very simple. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. Line passing through origin, its shape is always y equal to mx. Line parallel to x-axis, y is equal to some constant, that is y equal to something. That can be plus also, that can be minus also. Similarly, line parallel to y-axis, x is equal to something. So these were certain lines and their equations which are very important from the examination point of view. Now let us go to the next. Perpendicular form. Now you have to find the perpendicular distance of a point from the given line. Point is x1, y1. Point is x1, y1. You have to find the perpendicular distance, that is Pm. And the line given to you is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And the formula is, just put the point in this. x1, y1 इसमें put कर दो. And divide it by under root a square plus b square. A and b are the coefficients of x and y. With the help of examples, it will be very easy to find the distance of this point from the line. Now look here. Here the point is 8, 6 and the line is 3x plus 4y plus 5. Now using this formula, इस लाइन के अंदर ये जो है लाइन 3x plus 4y plus 5, इसमें पॉइंट पुट कर दीजिए. इट इज़ 8, 6. लुक हियर 8 and 6 यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया. x की जगह पे 8 लगा दो, y की जगह 6 लगा दो. डिवाइड इट विद अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. a कितना है 3, b कितना है 4. 3 square plus 4 square. You get this, and answer is 10.6 units. Now example number 2, point is 4, 5. Line is 5x plus 12y plus 5 equal to 0. Now let us see how we will find the distance D. Just put the point. Point you know is 4, 5. Put the point and you will get the solution. So the answer will come like this, 16 by 30. Now let us go to find the distance. Another formula, another trick. These two lines are given, their slopes are equal. These two lines are parallel. Look here. One line is blue color, other is red color. Slope is same. Slope is minus A over B here, minus B over A over B here. But the constant terms are different. So if you want to find the distance between these two parallel lines, the formula is D is equal to, that D is the distance, C1 minus C2 over under root A square plus B square. Now let us go to the question part. These are two lines. Look here, slope is minus 5 over 12 here, minus 5 over 12 here, minus A over B, minus A over B. But C1, C2 are different. So C1 minus C2. C1 is 8, C2 is minus 5. It becomes 13. And 5 square plus 12 square, 169. Square root of this is 13. 13 by 13 is 1. Now let us go to the next example. Line is 3x plus 4y minus 3. Other line is 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. So देखिए C1 पता है, C2 पता है, put the values here and divide with under root A square plus B square. A is 3, B is 4. 3 square plus 4 square. It becomes 5. So this is 5 and this is minus 10. 10 over 5 is 2. Because this distance can never be negative, take the absolute value, it is 2 units. Now let us go further. Next trick is, you have to find the number of points having both coordinates as integers that lie in the interior of a triangle with vertices. देख लीजिए vertices क्या हैं, 0, 0, 0 n n 0. एक पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है, एक पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे है, और that third vertex is 0, 0. So it is a right angle triangle basically. Now the number of points having both coordinates as integers will be n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 2. Very simple. N minus 1, n minus 2 over 2. Now look here. I have given two examples here. You have to find the number of integral points exactly in the interior of triangle with vertices 0, 0. Look here, 0, 0, 0 n, that is 0, 21, 21, 0, n 0. So n is 21. Put in the formula. Put in the formula. Formula is n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 2. N की जगह 21 लगा दीजिए and you get 190. Similarly, second part is 0, 0 is one of the vertices, 0, 41 second vertex, 41, 0 third vertex. Put this, n is here 41. Put 41 in the formula. What you will get? 41 minus 1 into 41 minus 2 over 2, you get 780. Very simple. दो क्वेश्चन देखिए कितनी देर में. Very simple. Now let us go to the next trick. This trick is method of substitution. What you have been given here is, the line is passing through the point, say HK, and intercepts A and B are given to you. Sum of the intercepts is given. Simply substitute the point in the given equation of this line and you choose the option which is satisfied. Now let us go with the example. The equation of the straight line passing through 4, 3. Point is 4, 3. And making intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is minus 1. अब आप 4, 3 पुट कर दीजिए. ये चार ऑप्शन हैं. अब देखिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शन डी में देखो, x की जगह 4 लगा दो, y की जगह 3 लगा दो. 4 by 2 is 2. 3 by 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Satisfied. Now add the intercepts. This intercept is 2, this intercept is minus 3 because the formula is x over x intercept plus y over y intercept is equal to 1. तो प्लस होना चाहिए, माइनस नीचे भेज दो. So this is 2, this is minus 3, ऐड करने पे आपका -1 आ गया सम. यहाँ पे भी देखिए -2 ये इंटरसेप्ट है, 1 ये है. सम कितना आ गया? -1. अब x की जगह आप लगा दीजिए 4, तो 4 by -2 is -2 और y is 3. So -2 plus 3, this becomes -1. So satisfied. So this solution was very easy. Option D is there. So you have found that all the tricks are very, very simple and you can solve them in very short time. And with this, I'll be closing these straight lines, mnemonics and short tricks, and we will be next going with another chapter, and I'll be coming up with many short tricks. Thank you very much. I will request you to please subscribe the videos and give your comments also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night.